Today, we are exploiting the world to its finest body flavor. We will break down iconic duck dishes from different countries. China Peking duck, the gold standard of duck cuisine, a multi-day process where air is pumped under the skin to separate the fat, then roasted under the skin as tatri strips served wrapped in these pancakes with hoisin and scallions. Thailand Gang Pet Petiang, a luxurious, vibrant Thai red curry featuring sliced roasted duck smeared in rich coconut milk with cherry tomatoes, pineapples, sweet lychees, and fresh Thai basil to balance the gamey fat. Malaysia Teochew-based duck, a popular duck-colored dish from the Chinese diaspora where a whole duck is gently simmered in a highly aromatic mustard stock of soy sauce, rock sugar, cinnamon, star anise, and cloves. Cambodia curry duck, a festive multi-camera curry combining tender duck meat with sweet potatoes, carrots, and onions in a light coconut milk broth flavored with fresh lemongrass paste. India Tarapatu roast, a signature coastal dish from Kerala where duck meat is cooked until extremely tender and then pan-fried with caramelized onions, coconut flakes, ginger, garlic, and heavily spiced masala blends. Tunisia Couscous Bilbat, a hearty, steaming coastal dish featuring a bed of previously steamed French semolina grains topped with slow-steamed duck, root vegetables, chickpeas, and a spicy harissa broth. United Kingdom, a Glastonbury roast duck, a historic English favorite utilizing a specific white duck breast roasted simply with salt and served with a sharp sage and onion stuffing and a starred family apple sauce. Italy Bigoli con Anatra, a celebrated Venetian pasta dish pairing rich roasted whole wheat noodles with a rich, slow-simmered rice made from minced duck meat, white wine, onions, and fresh sage. Belgium Canard a leg crack, a classic combination showcasing regional ingredients featuring seared duck by cooking in a savory reduction of sour Belgian cherry beers and whole sour chilies. Ireland crispy duck with Jameson glaze, a contemporary Irish pub dish featuring roast half duck finished with a sweet, sticky reduction made from local Irish whiskey, honey, and whole grain mustard. Poland Kaczka Zebrakami, a quintessential Polish comfort food consisting of a whole duck roll inside and out with plenty of dark marjoram, stuffed with short apples and slow roasted until juicy. Georgia Duck Satsiki, a unique cold dish featuring seared duck pieces sambal entering in a rich and high aromatic sauce made from ground walnut, garlic, and local banana creek spice. United States Duck Gumbo, a deep comforting Louisiana cold-style bulldog chocolate collaborate flour and olive mixed with a seared bulldog spicy annual sausage and the holy trinity of the vegetable. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.